If you'd like to place an island in KCDW, simply go up to the right side of your unit menu and click on Add Island. Take your mouse pointer, which is changed, and hold your mouse key down where you want to start it, and drag it to the length you'd like it to be. Once I get it to the length, I let go. I can verify the length, type something different if I want, and click OK. Now, you'll notice that there's the actual length of the elevation, and then the actual elevation number, 4. Now, this dotted line just represents where the back of the cabinet's going to be for the island. And if we actually put cabinets up at this point, they're going to be facing or on this side of that dotted line, and they're going to be facing wall number 1 up here. Now, if we want to change our view, we just double-click anywhere other than the island or the walls, and we're looking straight at it. Now, you'll see this dotted line. All that is a ghost image. And if we were actually to go to 3D, you wouldn't even see that in the design. It's just a way of keeping everything together. So if you put multiple units on this actual island, when you go to print out an elevation of it, they're all together. Now, in many cases, you're going to want to put your actual island up. Then you're going to need to go to the back side of it to put a raised panel back or some other units facing the other direction. To get to the back side of this, you just right mouse click on this surface here and you go to the back of the wall. And it lets you know that. Left mouse here will bring you back to the front of the wall. Just making the front of the wall active, right click makes the back of the wall active. Now if we went to put a raised panel back, it would be on the back side of the wall. If I change my view here, just double click, you'll notice that that actual dotted line there is a different color. That just means that the back of that wall is active, and if we're putting any units up, it's going to go to this side, the back. If I click on this, you'll notice that it changed it to the regular dark line. That means we're working on this side over here, putting up the cabinets that we want on this side. Now, the difference between an island and a peninsula is just the fact that it's next to another wall is what makes it a peninsula. Well, you can take this dotted line and drag it up there to the end of wall number 3, and now you've got a peninsula situation. I could grab this, drag this in the trash bin. I could click on Add Island to put up a peninsula, go to the end of the wall I want to put the peninsula on, and just drag it up and click OK. And that's how you'd go to put up a peninsula. And it works exactly the same way. Change your view. You now see the actual wall to the left side. And then if you want to go to the back side, just right mouse, and you're working on the back side of it.